friends, and welcome to the new year with Mama Elephant's January 2025 release. Today we are introducing Counting Right and its coordinating creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the images all stamped out. In this set we have the numbers 1 through 9 and we have the critters on the right side of the numbers. There is also a variety of zeros available, as well as a zero without a critter. Today I'm showing you how I color this number 5 because I really wanted to color the little lion. Can you spot all the little critters in this set you haven't seen before? I'm starting with the lion's mane, and for this I'm using the E30 series. I'm starting out with the darkest marker, which is E37. As I won't be using all the numbers on a single card, I decided to go for a variety of colors. So I chose a bunch of happy colors and just colored 2 of each with them. Now let's move on to the lion's fur. First I'm adding a base layer with a yellow marker. Later on I will be continuing using the E series, the E50s. I'm using a different marker than usual for the cheeks because I misplaced my E93 marker. A new one is currently on its way, so next time I hope to be able to color with my usual marker because I really love that marker for rosy cheeks. Now let's move on to adding some white gel pen accents with the Jelly Roll marker. And that finishes my coloring for today. I think this little lion turned out so cute. Today I'm making a square card. I'm using the square grid cover, the inside of the Lacey heart die, and the Make-A-Wish sentiment from Big Birthday Wishes. I've cut a card base measuring 4 1/4 inches all around, and I'm laying a piece of patterned paper over top. On top, I'm placing the square grid cover, popped up with some foam tape. Now it's time to decorate our card. For this, I'm using the inside of the Lacey heart, so the cutout that the outer die makes, and I'm using a piece of foam tape to support it a little in the middle. I needed a birthday card for a little lady, so that's why I'm using the number 9 with the cute little elephant on the side. I've cut the sentiment from both white as well as Kraft cardstock, and I'm layering them over top. I'm decorating the rest of my scene with some of the flowers from the Build a Bouquet set. Now it's time to add the sentiment. For this, I'm using a combination of liquid glue, and I'm supporting the sides with a little bit of foam tape. I'm adding a star to the tittle as a finishing touch. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of January 2025 introductions. Bye!